going to go ahead and jump into Canva because we're going to talk about editing videos in Canva. By the way, Parody Pug Gaming says, since I started paying for Canva, my shorts are better looking. Khaki or jeans? It's very important that you have a video document. What you would do is upload whatever video you want to use. And let's see if I've got one. So I've got the video and I'm going to right click set images background. And by the way, if you have any questions about this whatsoever, don't hesitate to ask. We're just going to put something right here in this corner or wherever I would like. So I'm going to go to elements and let's just say that for some reason, this one was something about celebration. I spelled that wrong. And we're going to go to graphics and I want something that is like this. So here we go. If I right click this and click show timing, that shows you how long this animation is going to be. It's going to be throughout the whole video, but I don't want it throughout the whole video. I just want it for part of it. So what I'm going to do is left click my mouse and at the front, I will bring it in a little bit. And then at the back, I will bring it in some. And maybe I'm just going to make it for 3 seconds. I can go here and I can add something else. Let's pop that emoji right here. Let's try moving this. We're going to play that. I'm not really going to play it because of my internet, but when I get to this, right, that would pop up. Now I can't see them all, but if I scroll over and I see that's there, then the emoji pops up, right? And if I want to, I could even split the page, work on the second part, right? Let's say I wanted to add text. Let's say that I wanted to add wheel of features. Here we are. I'm just going to set it right here. I'm going to make it uppercase and then I'm going to give it an animation. Let's give it a typewriter animation. I like for my animations to be on enter and I'm going to change it to word wheel of features. Now I can slow it down because I'm on the Canva Pro plan. Writing style, changing it between character and word is also a Canva Pro feature. So I'm going to get out of that and then right click wheel of features, show timing. You will see that it shows all the way across. But what I want it to do is I want it to be short. So let's just make it 3.2 seconds short or something like that. And then it would pop up wheel of features. Well, then I can go ahead and split that if I want. I clicked S on the keyboard and it splits it. And I don't really need anything there, right? So now I've got everything that I need on my pages. And at this point, I can download. So I'm going to download it. I'm going to download all 3 pages. This is what the plus sign looks like in between the pages. It is Canva for free. Everybody, whether you're a free account or a pro user, has this plus sign. When you click the plus sign, it changes to a plus sign, and then this is called the transition. I don't typically use this for my videos because I tend to not leave enough space in between the 2 scenes for there to be a transition.
Interesting.
So when you click that bottom one, the left panel will open up and it will give you all the transitions. And yes, all of these transitions are completely free. So dissolve, completely free. You can change the duration of dissolve. Slide is completely free. You can change the duration and direction. All of these at this time are free features.
Whoa.
So if you click this plus sign at the top, instead, it will just add a blank page for you. You can left click and move to the left and the right to change the timing. You've got a video and you're talking about 10 different microphones. Well, one fun little transition that you could do, what you could do is let's say that you were talking about Blue Yeti. Let's see if I could spell Blue Yeti. All right, we got this. And then let's say that you got the video about the Blue Yeti, your segment about the Blue Yeti. Now, I'm just going to grab a short video that's not even about a Blue Yeti. You can left click a video or photo on the left side and slowly drag it, and it will snap into place in the background. So we're just going to pretend like this is a Blue Yeti microphone. So I would click plus, add a transition. Let's just say I wanted to do a line wipe. Look, you can change the duration of the line wipe. You could even make it go a little slower. You can change the direction, Blue Yeti, and then you can go from a very simple, right, with text. You might even want to include an image of the Blue Yeti on it. Or maybe you just want the Blue Yeti without the words. And then you can transition to the next video. And again, you can make it as slow or fast as you want. You can even change the directions.